Okay, question 9. Mr. Leonard is renting a car for 1 day. The table below shows the total amount he will be charged for the car based on the number of miles he drives. Which equation best represents C, the number of dollars Mr. Leonard should be charged for driving M miles? So I see a table and they're asking me for the charges or the charge for X amount of miles. So right away I can look at this table and say, okay, well, I could use my calculator to determine what the slope and the y-intercept would be for this table so that I could figure out which of these equations gives me that. So I'm going to turn it on, click Stat, Edit, delete these values, and I'm going to say 5, 10, 15, and 20. Here I have 30.5, 31, 31.5, and 32. Click Stat, calculate number 4. Now I have this. So I have C is equal to, or if you want to, you can just say this. Y is equal to 0.10 x plus 30. And I added the 0 only because I noticed that this is 0.10 that's being used on our answer choices, and 0.1 is the same thing as 0.10. Now if I look at these answer choices, this one tells me that it's 0.10 m, which m is the x, what's being compared. These are my x and these are my y values. So C is equal to 0.10 m plus 30. And notice that 30 is not the slope, only 0.10 would be. So this eliminates letter B. And we're not using 0.50 m. The slope is 0.10, so this is not going to be correct. And again, 30 is not the slope. The slope would have to be the number next to the letter M, which is 0.10, and letter A is our answer here. And you could also write down A is equal to 0.1 and B is equal to 30 to show your work that you did on the calculator.